Oh, hey, welcome to my house. So, I'm having a party today, and you can see all the guests are here. What do you think is the first thing that people ask when they come to your house? It's not a glass of water. They always ask for your Wi-Fi password. With Me Router, you don't have to give them your master password. You can actually create a guest network so that all your guests can just use that. They don't have access to any device on your main network. Your neighbors can't use it. And you can turn it off when they leave. So with Me Router, it comes with a super intelligent app that lets you have full control of your network right from your phone. It's called Me Wi-Fi. Let me show you a couple of really cool features. You see that dude over there? That's Shubble. He's the guy that consumes all the bandwidth every time we have one of these parties. With the Me Wi-Fi app, you can actually limit the bandwidth of any device in your network. In this case, let's have a little fun. The other thing you can do is add him to a block list, which completely removes him from the network. With one click, I can just block his device. There you go. Another super useful feature of the Me Wi-Fi app is parental control. When my cousin comes over, I'm responsible. So I can make sure that he doesn't access any kind of weird websites that'll get me in trouble with my uncle. You can also limit the time of day that your kids are on the network. So since I don't have kids, I actually use this for my parents. So another really great feature of the Me Wi-Fi app is called QoS. It lets you prioritize traffic on your network. So you can prioritize types, things like videos, and make sure that you're always streaming in high quality. Or you can limit the bandwidth on your guest network. Here, it's Saturday night, so of course we're watching the match. And with QoS, we can see it in perfect high quality. Let's check it out.